What would you like? Would you like a roast beef and cheese sandwich?
Lunchtime at St. Teresa of Calcutta in Edmonton, and the kids here know good food is important.
You would have very poor thinking, and it would be very hard to answer the questions.
St. Teresa gets its meals from a non-profit organization. On the menu, kid-friendly choices that also meet their nutritional needs.
We're finding that children really do, from a standpoint of carrots and sandwiches and tacos and some of the other things that we're providing, that they're actually very positive.
A new Canadian study surveyed 7,000 students or their parents over an 11-year period. It shows school children are developing better eating habits, more fruits and vegetables.
They're also eating less calories from those minimally nutritious foods or junk foods. It's a modest improvement because we're still very far from a perfect score.
The study author says the changes may come from provincial policies that restrict what beverages or foods can be sold on school property.
Food is like comfort, like the taste of mom's cooking.
Canada introduced a new food guide in January, but it's just a guide. Canada is the only G7 country with no mandatory national food policy in place. With an election soon, dietitians say it's a conversation that should happen, but a national policy is hard when schools are governed by provinces.
We would need to be mindful that we would want to integrate into provincial curriculum. We would want to make sure that schools and districts have autonomy.
For the kids at St. Teresa, better nutrition is a no-brainer.
I think that everyone should be able to get food and be able to get their energy.
The federal Liberals listed a national school food program in their budget this year, a promise with no funding so far. Rafi Bujikani, CBC News, Edmonton.